Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore the backup and how to transfer data on your Honor Magic V6. Okay, so first I'm about to show you how you can transfer data from a previous device to your brand new Honor. Then we are going to restore the backup from Google One, from external storage drive, and then from Honor Suite app. So let's begin. We gotta click on this arrow and now select your language. Click on continue and then select the region. Select that you agree and click on continue. If you want, you can insert your SIM card right now. It's not necessary. But let's connect to the Wi-Fi. Select available network and type the password to it. Then click on connect. Okay, and then continue. Connecting. Copy apps and data, we are interested in that, so click on next. Next, if you have the cable that fits, it will be the USB-C to USB-C cable. You can connect both devices through the cable, but if you don't have the cable, just click on no cable and click on copy without. We'll do it wirelessly thanks to the Wi-Fi. Click on next. I need to draw my lock screen because I was factory resetting the device. You won't have that, so don't worry. And now click on next. Now on our previous device, we gotta open up the Google app and we need to say or type manually set up my device. Set up my device. Next. Okay, verify the shapes. If they are the same, click on next. Click on copy. Now our accounts will be copied. Our Google account, mainly. Verify the password. I'll type it off camera. And then click on next. The account will be copied. We gotta keep waiting. Okay, and now choose what you want to copy. We can copy apps, messages, call history, photos and videos, and device settings. When it comes to Google Calendar, Google Contacts, Photos, and Gmail, they are synced automatically. If you have selected everything that you want, I'm about to unselect the apps. Simply click on copy. Everything will be done in the background automatically, and we will have our normal setup process right now. So we can now set the screen lock and also the fingerprint and the face recognition. If you click on later, you'll be able to do it later in the settings. So don't worry if you don't do something right now. Click on more, accept. Now we have the backup services. They are pretty useful and always turn them on. Click on next. Now we need to select our default browser and the search engine. I always pick Chrome as my default browser and Google as my default search engine. Now we have the feature that will let contacts nearby find and share with us. In here you can read how it works. I don't want that, so click on no thanks. Click on continue. Now we have the Gemini, and if you click on turn on, you'll be able to remotely launch the Gemini by simply saying the sentence, "Hey Google." I'll agree to that. Okay, copying is finished. Click on done. We can also see it on our previous device that it has been finished. And we have the quick login. Click on setup manually. Click on continue. You can also log into your Honor ID or create your account if you don't have it. I'm about to click on setup later and settings. In here, click on enable. You can agree to location services. Select your navigation method, gestures, or 3 keys. finish, try now. Okay, and that was the first method. As you can see, device is ready to work. Also, don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet, because some of the things might still be copied or downloaded in the background. That was the first method, and now let's go with the second one, which will be restoring the backup from your Google One. Okay, to restore the backup from Google One, we also gotta connect to the Wi-Fi, so select the network and type the password and click on connect. Click on continue. Click on next. Select that you cannot use other device and click on OK. It's important. And now sign in into the same Google account on which you made your backup before. It is really important, because if you sign in into rogue account, you won't have possibility to restore your backup. So let's do it. So first type the mail. And click on next. And now we gotta type the password, but I'll do it off camera right now. Okay, click on agree. And from the list, select the backup that you want to restore. In my case, I would like to restore this one that I made 4 days ago. Boom. And click on next. I also need to type the password that was on the phone when I was restoring the backup. Okay, and again, when it comes to Google Photos, Gmail, Calendar, and Drive, those things are synced automatically. And from the list down below, select what you want to restore. I want to restore everything except the apps. And click on Restore. And again, just like in the previous method, we gotta go through the setup. In here, I don't want any screen locks, so click on Skip. In here, click on More, More, and Accept. I'll turn on the backup functions. Next. Select your default browser. I'll go with Google Chrome. And then search engine, I always pick Google. No thanks, I don't want that. The Gemini, I'll turn on. Agree. Set up manually. Continue. I don't want to log in into my Honor ID, so click on Setup later in the settings. No thanks. enable. Select your system navigation method, gestures, or 3 keys. It's up to you. I'll select gestures, click on finish, and now hit the button, and we are ready to use our device. And just like with the previous method, don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet, because something still might be restored in the background. Of course, you'll be able to monitor everything in the notification center. Okay, and that was the second method. And now let's restore the backup from our external storage drive. To do it, open up the settings, then scroll all the way down, go to System and Updates, and then click on Backup and Restore. Then Data Backup, click that you agree, allow, basically allow for everything. That pops out, click on OK. And now external storage. And now insert your memory card or the USB storage, I don't know what you're using. Okay. I'm using USB storage. Now select Restore from Backup and click on Restore. Enter the password that you have set in the past. Okay. And now it has been restored. Click on Done. We can now unplug it. And now let's go with the Honor suit. So let me only switch to my computer and we'll go through it. Okay, and let's go with the last method. Open up your browser and download the Honor suit. Type it in the browser, visit the page, and hit the download button, depending on your operating system. Once you have it installed, open up the downloads folder. Actually, in my case, it should be right in here. Hi suit, Honor suit. Okay. Launch the app, and now connect your phone to your computer using the USB-C cable. I highly recommend to use the original cable. If you don't have it, of course, you can use a different, good quality USB-C cable that supports sending the data. Now select use USB to transfer files /Android Auto. And now in the settings of our phone, we need to enable the USB debugging. To do it, open up the settings, scroll all the way down, go to About Phone, and now tap on the build number 7 times in a row until it's enabled. Then go back, System and Updates, Developer Options, keep scrolling down, and we need to turn on USB debugging. Click on OK. Select Always Allow from this computer, click on OK. Now it says that the Honor suit will be installed on our phone, click on OK. Select More Details and install anyway. Click on Agree, allow for everything, and now type this code in the suit app. Click on Connect. Okay, and now in the suit app, select Restore. And now select what you want to restore and hit the button. Type the password that you have set before. Click on OK. And now the process has started, as you can see. We gotta wait until it's finished. OK, click on Ready. And that is all. We can now unplug the cable. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.